Hi there! Today we're breaking down one of the most famous ideas in game theory, the prisoner's dilemma. But instead of using the classic police interrogation story, we'll look at real world scenarios that many people actually face. But today I'm going to make a fun one. I'm going to talk about YouTubers. Imagine two YouTubers, Alex and Jordan, who release videos every Friday. Their audiences overlap a lot, so the titles and thumbnails they choose directly affect each other's views. They have two choices. They can either make a clickbait title, or they can make a real and accurate title. If both use accurate titles, both the videos perform very well. If one uses clickbait and one uses an accurate title, the one with clickbait gets boosted and the one with the accurate title gets dropped. And if they both use clickbait titles, viewers get annoyed, so they both get harmed from that. We can represent these incentives using a game theory payoff matrix. The numbers represent payoff points based on views and long-term audience trust. So if they're honest, it's an 8-8. If they're both clickbait, it's 5-5, so etc. etc. So a dominant strategy is the best choice a player can make regardless of what the other player does. Here, the clickbait is a dominant strategy. If Jordan is honest, Alex gets 10 by clickbaiting, and if Jordan clickbaits, Alex gets 5 by clickbaiting. So the same logic for Jordan as well. Because both independently choose the dominant strategy, the outcome becomes 5-5, or clickbait. Ironically, that equilibrium is worse than if both players cooperated by staying honest. They would get an 8-8. So how can Alex and Jordan escape this trap? One effective strategy is to create a repeated game agreement. For example, a mutual pact, or even a public no clickbait challenge. They might also share audience engagement analytics, or collaborate on videos, or use a tit for tat strategy. They need to increase their trust, communication, and future consequences in order to get the highest amount of views possible. Thank you so much. I hope that this example really helped to understand.